Hello my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel. And to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. It is Saturday morning and it's currently 9:40, around 9:40 or so. I'm getting ready to go outside and work out because it's supposed to be a high 87 today. And right now it's 75 and I want to go ahead and do a workout before the sun comes out and before it gets too hot. Also, I'm going to take our cat and dog outside so they can play in the room while I'm exercising. And also, I just want to go outside too and get some fresh air and some natural vitamin D. And guys, this video is just my Saturday morning routine of just me resetting, getting myself back on track. So first things first is I'm going to work out. Guys, to be honest with you all, I didn't get much sleep last night. I actually fell asleep. It was around maybe 11 or so. I fell asleep. And then I woke up, it was like 2:38. I actually remember what time it was. I looked at my phone. I was like, wow, and I wasn't sleepy at all. I didn't go back to sleep until after 5. So I'm not restless, so to say, but I'm just up, and I was just up watching YouTube videos and just watching different things on TV and just thinking about just a lot of things that's been going on and just what I need to do for myself as far as getting myself in better shape, better health, you know, losing weight. It's a process, it's a journey. However, I'm gonna just take it each day by day, step by step, moment by moment, and just come up with things that work for me. And for me, on this particular Saturday morning, I just want to be productive, get up, go outside, go ahead and exercise. I already know what I'm going to make for breakfast. I already know what tea and everything I'm going to drink, and I just want to bring you guys along. Comment below and let me know what your Saturday morning routine is. As if you work out or anything like that, if you have an exercise regimen or routine. And guys, the exercises that I'm going to do, I'm just going to do them off the dome, just whatever I come up with. I know I want to jump rope. I just have to make sure I can find our jump rope, but I do know that I want to do some jump rope and some other type of exercises as well.
I'ma see you again, but is that a good thing?
Yeah, it's a focus. You got it. So breathe out when you're going up.
Breathe out when I go up, when I go down.
One. Hold it. Go hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Which means you can get the beefy, cheesy burrito you want for the price you want. It's almost like you can have your cake and eat it too. But in this case,
And I still got a ways to go. I'm just halfway, and I still got a ways to go. And so far, I've burned. I'm exhausted. So what we doing with it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you cut them already, I smell them.
How many eggs you want?
You want some?
So now I'm about to just eat breakfast and chill out.